Welcome to Cozy Corner Books for You. We encourage the love of reading. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe to our channel, like our video, and leave a comment. Let's cozy up with I Love You, Daddy by Edie Evans, illustrated by Melanie Demmer. Daddy, I love you, and I want you to know I have a great time wherever we go. At the car wash we pretend we're deep in the sea, and the brushes are fish waving their fins at me. Camping is my favorite summer event. We sleep in the woods. I help pitch the tent. We plant seeds out back in neat straight rows, and then water them with the garden hose. Going to the petting zoo is always lots of fun. We feed goats, pigs, and sheep out in the bright, warm sun. When snow covers the ground and the hills are all white, we sled and make snowballs from morning to night. At the neighborhood park, we jump, swing, and play. Soon the sun sets. Have we been here all day? I love you, Daddy, for all that we do. In a contest for Best Dad, the winner is you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel, like our video, and leave a comment. Bye for now. Let's cozy up with another book soon.